cello and basses, cellos and basses. So, guys, we are going to be learning how to work with notes in the music staff. So we are going to be working on how to identify those notes and how do I know that this is the E and so forth. Okay, so I will be moving from the cello sheet to the bass sheet down here because it's gonna be just almost the same for both of you guys, just with a change on the strings. Okay, so let me start with the cellos. So for both of you, cello and basses, we are working this week with the notes on the D string, basically, or we are working with the first four notes, and those four notes are going to be D, E, F sharp, and and G. Okay, those are going to be the four notes. So in terms of the cello friends, you got the open D string, then first finger is gonna be E, then third finger it's gonna be F sharp, and then fourth finger is gonna be G. Okay, those are the fingers that we are going to be using, and as you can see here is D zero fingers, E first finger, F sharp third finger, and then G fourth finger. In the case of the bass, um, it's gonna be the same notes, D, E, F sharp, and G, but in terms of the bass plays the G on the G string, the open G. So how does that work for the bass? D open, first finger E, four fingers F sharp, and then you jump to the G string without fingers for that G. Okay. And how do we read that in the music staff? So the assignment that I send you, it's gonna work like this. So basically, you go to the link that I share and you start the challenge. And guys, you will have 2 minutes to answer uh, the, as many as you can, but you should focus on doing every single note correctly. Don't focus on trying to do as many with a lot of mistakes. Try to do at least five. Look, my previous score was uh, 5 out of 5 because I was explaining a couple of things. But if you can do only five, but five correctly, that's the goal, okay? With time, you will be increasing the correct ones because you will identify faster. But the purpose is to do it everything correctly. So you start the challenge and this is gonna pop up. And basically, you need to identify the notes. So for the cello and the basses, we know that our lines are good boys do fine always, and our spaces are all cows eat grass. So right now, I do know that this note here is the note of G. So I just come to the G right here and I click it and it's gonna turn green. When it turns green, that means that you answer it correctly. If you select the wrong one, it's gonna turn red. Okay, so I do know for a fact that this one is good boys do D. So I just click on the D and perfect. That works perfect. So here we go with G again, D again, and here it comes the F sharp. So the F is the only note that is not just F, is F sharp. So for that one, you need to use the symbol, the F with the hashtag sign or the number sign. So when you see an F, which is the fourth line, you won't select the F down here. You will select the F with the number sign. And basically, guys, as I was mentioning, you have basically 2 minutes to answer. When the times run out, I will say do it again every single day. Do it 2 times. because that is gonna be basically 4 minutes there, and then you can use the rest of the 6 minutes to practice with the instrument, as we are going to do with the first week video. Okay, so that's it. That's how you identify notes. Basically, guys, this is what you are going to do every single week, but the next couple of weeks, the notes that you will identify, since you learned the first four the first week, are going to be different. Okay, so next week we are learning new four new, or maybe we are just continuing with the same four, and then later on we are going to go to four new, and then we are going to put all the eight notes together. So that's how we are going to identify notes. Okay, so guys, I will see you practice. Okay, bye bye.